Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with a quick Halloween project share. I made some treat boxes and some really cute shakers, so I wanted to jump on and share with you what I created. I used this particular die to create my treat box. It's a really fun die, and this is what it came out. I made some Halloween boxes, and this tag just came out. But this is the first one that I made, and look how super cute. It has a little heart, and then I did have my little twine in this tag, or in this little section right here, if I can get it back in there. But anyway, my little tag is just dangling off like that, and I thought that was really cute. I used that little fun ghost and a heart die that's in my stash. And then I made a couple of ones that were not Halloween, but I just was playing with the die, and I think it's really fun. It's small, but it actually fits, you know, a good amount of treats. So I used a rosette and decorated with some hearts on this one, and this is just like an XOXO. Used some double-sided paper, and I'll go ahead and open it up so you can see what it looks like on the inside. You can fit a lot of goodies in there. Really, really cute. And then I just used some stitched hearts on the front of this one and some foil, gold foil polka dot paper, which is really pretty. And then the last little Halloween one that I made, again, I used that really pretty heart doily, the Tim Holtz rosette, and then that little cute little ghost. And then on this one, I stamped out the word boo using that little Rolodex stamp that I picked up from Tuesday Morning. And then I also attached that really super tiny ghost to this little mini tag. And I thought that was really, really cute. I like the way that one came out as well. Really fun, cute little treat boxes. And then also, the next thing I wanted to share with you is this super cute love potion shakers that I created. And let me just zoom in so you guys can see. But this is the first one, and I think they came out absolutely adorable. I did pick up this die, and it looks like this. And I was inspired by Liz Russell. She actually had beat me to it using this. I think we had the same die or something similar. She had shared some of hers I think on her channel or Instagram. But I really liked the way hers came out, and when I first initially had bought that die, I thought it would have been really cool to use like eyeballs in the bottle, and do a shaker with eyeballs in it for Halloween. But I ended up just using vellum and stamping out trick or treat. I added a little ghost and a bat, which is also another die from my stash. And then here up top is a little heart, kind of like you could stir the potion. But I think it came out super, super cute. So that is the first one. And then this is the second one that I made. I just used a different ghost in this one, but as you can see, that's different. I used some green and gold and blue sequins, and again, using vellum instead of clear acetate. I think that was a cool idea. And then I just used one of those stickers from Michaels, and then again, it has some twine from Hobby Lobby. And this is just gonna be a really fun embellishment. I'm not sure what I'm gonna put it on yet, but I think it came out really cute. And then this is the last one. And I just used the stickers from Michaels, and this is the little tag. This actually does come with a tag, and I see that it's not on here. It's probably on my desk, but it comes with a little tag. So I used the tag that came with the little potion set, and then another little ghost, and it's just a really fun die. So this is my quick project share for you today. Hope you're inspired. Leave a comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.